Hello friends, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. In this video, I will demonstrate how you can use NodeMailer to send an email using Node.js application. So let's get started. So this is the NodeMailer package page, and you can find information about how to use it and everything here. And if you go to nodemailer.com, there is official documentation on it, and you can read more about it here and the usages. There is one complicated issue associated with Gmail and NodeMailer is many times NodeMailer application fail to authenticate the Gmail. So in that case, there are two solutions. First, if you have enabled two-step verification, and other case where you don't have two-step verification enabled, so in both the case we will go to manage account. Under manage account, there is a security tab, and if you go to that security tab and you scroll down, since I have enabled two-step verification, I am not seeing a section of less secure app. But if you see that less secure app here, you just enable the authentication of less secure app. And if you have two-step verification enabled in as in my case, you should go to app password. Now you can see I have created application NodeMailer. The same way you can create a new application, let's say custom, give it a name and hit generate. It will create a new password for that application you just created. Now for that particular application, this is your password. Okay, so let me delete this since I don't need it. Now let's jump into the code section. So what I have done is I have first used npm init to initialize the Node.js application. Then I have installed .env to read the confidential information from environment variable, and then NodeMailer, and then provide the flag save. When you hit this, it will download both the packages. Now I have created a source folder, and inside it index.js. This is my root directory. Now if you go into my environment variable, you will see I have two variable, email and password. Now what I do is I require the NodeMailer package and .env and use the config method to read the environment variable. I have created now a send mail function which requires a message, receiver's email and subject. Now to use NodeMailer, you need to first create a transporter. It has 2-3 things which is must. One is host name. For Gmail, it's smtp.gmail.com, service is Gmail, and security to false, and authentication is an object which has user and pass parameter. So I read it from environment file. Now the transporter has a method send mail. It has many parameters again, and you can read about more on the official web page. So I'm using from, to, subject and text as my message. So let's use this. Let's say send mail. First is message, hello from the node mailer. Second is receiver's email. Let me use one of my email, and the status subject is test subject. Now if I run this, first let me save this file, and if I run this node src index, if I run this, we should see a message ID. Okay, so this is the message ID and message is sent. Let me just open my browser, go to my Gmail. Okay, so there is a new mail with the test subject and the body we passed there. So I hope you gain some knowledge from this. See you in the next video. Till then, peace.